Today I have a service call for this heat pump. This is water cool heat pump and not working. At this point they're calling for air conditioning, and it is very warm in the office. So as you can see, this is made by McQuay. This is made by McQuay, and here are the unit information here. So this is a water cool heat pump. So you can see there's a water valve, and the compressor is in here, air handler is in here. Here's my filter. So the water here comes in, and then there is a drain here. Here's my drain. You can see that's a drain. So we're gonna figure it out and see what's going on. Again, here is my electrical. So this is my electrical. It's in the on position, but nothing seems to be happening here so far. So I'm gonna look into it, and we'll see what's going on. Thank you. Okay, so as you can see, my contactor is energized. You can see it's energized here. Okay, though the contactor coil, the contactor is burnt out. You can see that's my compressor is in there. So this unit has a flash code. So I'm gonna see what's going on in the flash code here. So in the flash code, you see, it said red, and it's having green and yellow flashing at the same time with red light on. Green and yellow flashing with red light on. So we'll see what the flash code says. Okay, so my code, where the error code is displayed, is at the back that was on this plate panel, and here is my panel. So here is my code that is saying when I have my yellow and green flashing with red light on, it says temperature sensor 1 failure. Temp sensor 1 failure. I'll put my hand on it so you can see. So you can see it's a temp sensor 1 failure. Flash, say flash, and on. So we're gonna figure out where is this temperature sensor 1 failure. Where is this located, and why does it fail? Okay, so I will let you know. Okay, so my findings so far, couple things seems to be happening here. This unit is sensing that there is a temperature sensor. They don't really have a temperature sensor. What controls this unit is a thermostat. So the units pick it up that there is a sensor. You can see there are switches here. So these switches, there are jumpers and there are no jumpers. So I took out one of the jumper just to check if that could be the problem, but it's not. So you're looking at the contactor here. The contactor is really in bad shape. It's kind of stick in. One of these lead is sticking and the other one is not sticking. Even though I took out my low voltage contact, it's still not responding. So my finding so far is to first replace this contactor, and again I have to check my transformer because my compressor is very hot. So my transformer is on 208 or 230. So I'm going to see what voltage is the building and what voltage is this unit. I want to see what my transformer is giving out. is it giving out 208 or 230? So, but I have couple wire on this transformer. One of the lead could be 208 and the other one could be 230. So I'm going to have to check and see, so I could be able to swap my wire to either 230 volt if my appliance is reading 230. So I'm just going to do a couple all of that, and I think maybe that could fix this problem. I checked to see if the board is a problem, but it doesn't sound like the board has a problem. I turned back the unit off and turned it back on. The flashlight that was displaying went off and it came back with green only. So meaning the system is sensing okay. So I'm going to keep you updated, but hopefully if there's anything more, I will definitely let you know. So this is McQuay water source heat pump. Okay, so water source heat pump for McQuay. So if there's any more questions, if you have any more questions, please put it below. This is HVAC mechanical system. Please sign up and see more of what we do. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Okay, so we came back with the parts to get it fixed. So we'll keep it posted. Okay, so we'll be replacing this contactor first. Okay, and then after replacing this contactor, hopefully our compressor comes on really well. You can see the contactor is really bad. And then if our compressor comes on well, the compressor has been turned off for a while, so it's also cooling off. So I have a new contactor here. This is my new contactor here. Okay, so I will be putting this contactor in, and we'll see how the unit works. Okay, so my new contactor is put in. Everything is properly put in. This was the old one. You can see how really bad it was. So I'm gonna turn this unit on. Okay, so here's my breaker. So I'm gonna just turn it on. So, all right, so my unit is turned on. It's gonna take 3 minutes. The blower motor will kick in, but it's gonna take about 3 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes for the compressor to kick in. So once the compressor kick in, I'm gonna take amps reading of the compressor. So you can see here, my compressor amps reading said 15.6, and my motor, fan motor amps reading is 4.29 to 6.99. Okay, so I'm gonna take my amps reading, and I'm gonna set my meter. I'm gonna set my meter to amps reading, so I could take the amps reading. Okay, so my amp meter is set now. Okay, with just only the blower motor, you can see my amps reading is 3.66. But here the manufacturer is saying my blower motor 4.29, so which is okay. So I'm getting that when only the blower motor is coming on 3.63. Okay, so we want to see what the compressor amps reading says when the compressor eventually kick in. Okay, so my compressor kick in, and here is the amps reading. So 12.7, 12.8 amps is what I'm getting, total amps reading. So I just want to measure only the compressor only. Okay, so compressor only is 10.7, 10.6. So that's compressor only running. So I think this unit is okay. It's See, it's even dropping. It's just kicking. So as soon as the load drop, as soon as it just keep working, the load is gonna drop. So I think this unit is really okay. So, but I'm gonna observe it for a couple more minutes and see the action and see if there's no any other problem, then we should be okay. So please subscribe to HVAC Mechanical System channel. All we do is heating, cooling, ventilation and refrigeration. Thanks for watching. Thank you.